The city of Stockholm, located in Sweden, is the capital and largest city in the country, offering a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Known for its stunning scenery and picturesque architecture, Stockholm attracts tourists from all over the world. One of the highlights of visiting Stockholm is exploring its beautiful scenery. The city is built on 14 islands connected by a series of bridges, which gives it a special charm. Tourists can take a leisurely stroll along the waterfront or take a boat ride for a breathtaking view of the cityscape. The city's tourism industry thrives on its rich history and cultural heritage. Visitors can immerse themselves in Swedish traditions by visiting Skansen, an open-air museum showcasing traditional Swedish architecture and customs. Stockholm also hosts various festivals throughout the year that celebrate music, art, food, and more. Traveling around Stockholm is convenient thanks to an efficient public transportation system. The city boasts an extensive network of buses, streetcars, trains, and even ferries that connect different parts of the city. This allows tourists to easily navigate in the diverse areas of Stockholm. Outdoor enthusiasts can take advantage of the city's numerous parks and green spaces for hiking or biking. There are also opportunities for kayaking or canoeing along scenic waterways. In conclusion, Stockholm is a charming city that enchants visitors with its stunning scenery, rich history, and culture. Whether you want to explore museums, enjoy outdoor activities in beautiful parks, or simply stroll along charming streets with colorful buildings, this Scandinavian gem will leave an unforgettable travel experience.